Tower, which is the Milner's Tower mentioned before. Our walk began in Bradder Glen. Dappled leaves patchwork my bare skin. Mulch tramples turn to a moorland trek. Little when little did I know that this imposing tower overlooking my idyllic bay was not a castle, but built to honour a locksmith's gifts. 4 kids chasing ahead, parents ambling along, when all of a sudden, in our desire to hide, I dive spread eagle onto gauze, not thinking or assuming it was heather. I forget which. Like sometimes we don't know what we are doing when we haul herring instead of mackerel. The consequences for the boy with exposed flesh was indelible. Red spots, wet eyes, and other laughs. Funny how such dies are cast, how history repeats like a kippered burp.